Hello, and welcome to another IT Portal training video. In this video, we're going to cover Portal Rotate, a password rotation tool that we have for Windows PCs, servers, Active Directory, and Office 365. In this video, we're going to cover a server. The process is the same for Active Directory. We want to start off by going to the plus button, import. And under this menu, we have local credentials, Portal Rotate. It's going to ask us to name our agent. I'll name it this. This is the machine where we're going to collect the credentials from. I'll assign it to my company. Now, when we import these credentials, we can either import them as a contact or an account. In this case, I'm just going to do it as an account of type server accounts that I created. If this was a domain, I would fill this in with the name of my domain name. You can also do an OU, as you can see here. You have the option to exclude usernames, and for AD, you have the option to also include email addresses. For the password policy, I'm going to do just a standard password. You can define these policies under admin settings, password policies. And as you can see, you can either set a standard password or a passphrase. I'm going to download the agent, and I already have an administrative command prompt here, and I'm going to run it from here. Now, the first thing that it does is it uploads the users. And as you can see, it now waits to run its next command. We can go to that particular company, and under options, we have the agents menu. Over here, we have a tab for the Portal Rotate. And now I can click on this button to see the list of users. I have the ability to select users. For example, I'll take engineer and this test AD user. I can enable the nightly syncs. And what this will do is once a night, that agent will go ahead and reset those passwords for those users. We can also do it, we can also tell it to reset now. And I'm going to pause this. All right, so as you can see here now, it actually says that it changed the password for the engineer user. If I come out of here and I go back in, we should get a status message. There we go, last changed. And over here, we can see that it actually mapped it to a particular user. I'm gonna click on that just so you can see that. And while that's loading, I also wanna show you that you have the ability to map to existing objects as well. So for example, this one here, I can select from an existing account or a contact to do the synchronization if I wanted to. Now, if I look at this user here, we can see the username. We can spell out the password, or display it on screen, and there you go. So the password policy that I used was a standard password, and as you can see, it was created there. So again, this works for both Active Directory and Windows computers. And as far as the script, we recommend that you simply just schedule it using Task Scheduler so that it can run at night. Thank you.